Welcome to the OSA Connect app tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through navigating and using the audit report page for firm users. Let's dive in. From the Quick Updates page, navigate to the audit report page by clicking the tab on the left side of your screen labeled Audit Reports. Once you're on the audit report page, you'll see two tables, one for draft reports and one for final reports. Both tables include key details like the agency number, agency name, fiscal year, and draft status. These tables are designed to help you manage your audit reports efficiently, and there are a few handy features to make that even easier. First up, column sorting. To sort the table, just click on any column header like agency number, agency name, fiscal year, or status. Let's say you want to see the reports you still need to submit to the OSA. Click the status column header. Now all reports with the statuses of not started and draft are grouped together, making it easy to take care of all of them at once. Next, we have the search bar. If you're looking for a specific report, type a keyword to narrow down the results. For example, to view only audit reports for the 2025 fiscal year, type 2025 into the search bar. Now the table only shows audit reports for the 2025 fiscal year. You can also control how many rows are displayed at once. Just click the Entries drop-down menu and choose the number of rows you'd like to see. Now that you're familiar with how to view and organize your draft and final reports, let's take a look at what each report status means. Here's a quick breakdown of the different draft report statuses you might see. If a draft report has a status of not started, the report has not been started yet. If the status is draft, this means work has begun, but the report has not been submitted to the OSA. If the status is submitted, the draft has been submitted to the OSA for review. If the status is Reviewer 1 approved, this means the draft has been through the first round of review and is in the second round. If the status is Reviewer 2 approved, this means the draft has been approved at the second review level and is in the last draft review. If the status is rejected, this means the draft was returned for edits. Next, let's look at the final report table statuses. Here's a quick breakdown of the different final report statuses you might see. If the status is draft, this means work has begun, but the final report hasn't been submitted to the OSA. If the status is submitted, the final report has been submitted to the OSA for review. If the status is approved, the final report has been approved and is either in the 5-day hold period or has been released to the OSA website. If the status is rejected, this means the final report was returned for edits. Lastly, let's go over how to upload a report. To upload a report, click the Upload link in the action column of either the Draft or Final Reports table. You will only be able to upload reports with one of the following statuses: not started, draft, or rejected. Reports in submitted, Reviewer 1 approved, Reviewer 2 approved are currently under review by the OSA and cannot be modified. After clicking Upload, you'll be taken to the Upload page. Here, you can upload the required documents and leave optional comments for the OSA. Once you're ready, click Submit to send the report to the OSA for review. Or click Save to store your progress and return later to finish. And that's it for this walkthrough of the audit report page for firms. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please do not hesitate to reach out to the OSA team for support. Thank you for watching.